Stop him! Stop the monkey! He stole the child! Give me the baby! Where did you see this child?
I was in farming. I started hearing her cry a baby.
It lied! Let's beat him properly!
Why are you beating the monkey boy?
He stole a baby.
This is my baby. Our car broke down on a hill and we decided to look for an alternative way. And a terrible wind came and took away my daughter. We even thought she's dead.
So you mean the monkey truly saved the child?
Absolutely he did.